Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to visualize your visited countries in Bing app. Visualizing them is pretty helpful. You can see like the coverage of the globe that you've visited, and to do it you can go to visualize, and there are some free premium options, so I won't be using those because that requires a premium, but feel free to use those. I'll show you the free ones. So let's select the globe first. You can see you can rotate it with this bar, right? You can see how it rotates. You can rotate it manually as well, and I believe that you can also share it, so it'll start recording a short video of the globe, and then it will add it to the photo library. You may need to allow it, and I'll find it in my photo gallery now so you can see how it looks. Yeah, and it is there. It looks pretty great. Now let's go back to the app. You can see there's also not only this method, also this one. You can see there's a little bit of the difference because you can see the mountains here, and then there's also the last free option, which is just dark. Then you'll also see some premium designs, but they are premium of course, so I won't be getting those. Now let's go to zoomable. Zoomable is basically like that. You can zoom in, zoom out, see all the countries that you've visited, and that is about it. Now the timeline, and you'll see the timeline, the countries, when they have been visited, and I think that that's it in this visualize. Of course, timeline can be also shared, but it requires premium. Then if you click on plus, you can just add another country, so the plus here, and no, there's not plus here, but here the plus is basically exactly the same thing as in the timeline. And in globe, I forgot to tell you, there is this option which just lets you hide these designs and globe rotation. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.